you're looking for a way to make some extra money, you may be considering Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is a program that allows people to deliver packages for Amazon. You can make up to $25 per hour delivering packages, and you can choose your own hours. Before you start making money with Amazon Flex, you should watch full video, because in the video, we explain everything you need to know about Amazon Flex, including how to get started, what you need to do to be successful, and some tips and tricks. We also explain some of the potential downsides of Amazon Flex, like the fact that you won't always have packages to deliver, and that you may have to work odd hours. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Start with, what is Amazon Flex? Amazon Flex is a ride-sharing service that allows you to make money by delivering goods to Amazon customers in your city. You will be responsible for delivering Amazon.com packages, Prime Now, Amazon Fresh, and Amazon restaurant orders like Uber, Lyft, or Postmates. The Amazon Flex program allows you to conduct all of your business through the app and set your own working hours. You can pick up flex shifts, plan delivery routes, and scan packages with the Amazon Flex app. Picking up and delivering packages during shifts can earn you money. You can decide what blocks you want to work on. It is possible to schedule blocks each day as soon as they become available, whether it's in the morning, afternoon, or evening, 7 days a week. You will be paid by the hour, and you may schedule blocks as often as you like. When you have been assigned a block of time, Flex apps provide you instructions on where to go, what to do, and how to do it. When you pick up the packages at a particular location, load them into your vehicle, and hit the road, you'll drop them off at houses in a specific area until you've delivered all of them. Amazon Flex is currently available in over 50 cities across the nation and is constantly expanding to new locations. If you are looking for a flexible way to make some extra money, then Amazon Flex is a great option for you. As an Amazon Flex delivery driver, you can expect to earn between $18 and $25 per hour. Your earnings per block may vary depending on your location, the time of day, and how many packages you can carry at once. But you will always be paid for your entire shift, even if you finish early or late. This guarantee of income makes Amazon Flex a standout among other ride-sharing programs. As an Amazon Flex driver, you are responsible for delivering packages within a certain time frame. You are also responsible for paying your own taxes and gas, as well as any parking or storage fees. Amazon occasionally rewards drivers with incentives or bonuses. It is important to keep in mind that Amazon Flex does not consider you an employee, but rather an independent contractor. In this case, Amazon will not withhold taxes for you, and you will be responsible for withholding them yourself. This job might not be the best one for you if you drive a gas guzzler or a non-reliable vehicle. Amazon Flex is a great opportunity for those looking for a side hustle. The process to sign up is easy and can be done through the Amazon Flex website or app. You will be asked to answer some questions about your location, the vehicle you drive, and your contact information. A background check and social security number will be required to sign up for open opportunities in your area. Some requirements must be met by applicants to be considered for employment, such as being 21 years or older and having a valid driver's license. Your entire business is managed through the Amazon Flex app, so it is essential that drivers possess a compatible smartphone. You will likely be hired to drive for Amazon Flex once all the above is verified and your background check has cleared. It is essential that you watch a series of instructional videos before you begin, since they will teach you how to successfully deliver your packages. Following the completion of the initial steps, you can begin arranging blocks for deliveries. With Flex, you can work shifts that range from 1 to 6 hours. You can also choose how you want to pick up your shifts. You can either have them automatically reserved based on your availability, or you can check the app for available shifts that are first come, first served. However, taking shifts can sometimes be difficult because there are rarely enough shifts available. Because of this, we recommend that you don't rely on Amazon Flex as your primary source of income. You can use it as a supplement to your other income sources. If you do decide to work a shift, you will be reminded 1 hour before it starts and given directions to your pickup location. Your shift will begin as soon as you lock in. Final fact: What to expect driving for Amazon Flex. The process of delivering using Amazon Flex is very user-friendly. Almost all of your responsibilities are fulfilled through the Flex app, which has the dual purpose of serving as an information hub and confirmation point for every delivery. Arriving at the pickup location is where your block begins. This location can either be a distribution warehouse, a restaurant, or a local store depending on your location. As you check in, you will be required to scan a QR code. You will also receive your shift-specific packages from the attendant. To make sure each package is delivered to you, you must scan it using the app and load each package into your vehicle before you leave. Using the Flex app, you can see potential routes for your deliveries, as well as the order in which your deliveries should occur. You can also get directions to each of them. Those are all the options you have. Nevertheless, even if you don't know how to use it, it can be quite useful if you don't know your way around. As a courier, you will need to stop at each location, scan the package, and make sure it is delivered as soon as possible. To do this, you can either take a picture of the package, check off its delivery location, or select the recipient from within the app. You must drop back off packages at the pickup location at the end of your shift if you are not able to deliver some packages due to delays or other issues. Support is also available from Amazon Flex if a driver runs into a problem on a shift. A few deliveries will require certain requirements, such as attended delivery where the recipient must be present to receive the package, alcohol where you must verify the recipient is 21 or older, and chilled or frozen goods. It will be different depending on the location and the number of packages you have to deliver on each block. Each block might see you delivering up to 70 packages. During his time as an Amazon Flex driver, one driver experienced 2 drastically different shifts. That's all for today's. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on the bell icon.